shut off the sanders for me because it's very loud. They're sanding down these windows that have been brought down from upstairs so that we can work on them very easily here on benches. So we're using vacuum sanders to buzz down and get to a sound surface. And then we'll be replacing the putty glazing. Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
Here's a stack of windows getting ready to go. With all the prep going on, you can see we're being super careful with dust. So everything's been covered up, even though I think the guys are working on the outside today. Let's go on outside and see how it's looking. Guys are really moving along. Windows are nicely prepped, as you can see. The paint that you see slopped over on the glass, we do that because we have glass mask behind it. This will be razor cut when these windows are painted, and when we pull off the liquid masking, it'll be a super sharp, clean line. Someone upstairs working on the windows? There you go. Is that Ricky?
Hi.
Hey, Ricky.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. You guys are really moving along. It looks good. Well, that's day 2 here at the Darlington House. We'll be back tomorrow to check it out again.